Alright guys, welcome back to my cooking and vlogging channel, aka TV. So today we're gonna make something to detox your body naturally, okay? Something to detox your body naturally. What I have here, this is a grapefruit. We're gonna use 3 lemons, natural lemons, and fresh lime, ginger, and we're gonna use half of this apple. Gonna use 1 whole cucumber. We're gonna use some aloe vera, otherwise called Cinco Bible. So, and we're gonna use a can of coconut water to avoid the taste. So first we're gonna peel this and just use the middle part, which is the gel only, and then we're gonna blend it together, guys. Very good thing to detox your body and build your immune system. So guys, here's the apple. So I'm cutting up the apple at this moment. You can use a green apple or a yellow apple. Here's a cucumber. Cutting up a cucumber as well. Put it into the blender. Then here's my lemon and my lime. I'm gonna squeeze my lemon in right now. So yes guys, this is the lime. I'm squeezing the lime now. Just squeeze the lemon, so now I'm squeezing the lime. So now guys, I'm putting in the grapefruit. Squeezing the grapefruit in. Just like that, guys. Nice juice. Good for detoxing. Okay guys, so now I'm adding ginger. Adding the ginger to the mix. And next guys, I'm adding the aloe vera. And guys, after you adding the aloe vera, what you can do, add some coconut water if you want to change the taste, or you can add just natural water, and you will get all the waters from the cucumber and the aloe vera, the orange, the lemon, the lime. So that's the aloe vera going in now. So what we're going to do now is we're going to blend this out. And last but not least guys, we're going to add some organic apple cider vinegar. We're gonna add probably 2 teaspoons to help our stomach as well, for a flat stomach. Yes guys, so I'm gonna add a teaspoon of this into the blender. Alright guys, all done. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a drink. So what you're gonna do guys, every morning you take a cup, you drink on an empty stomach before you eat anything. Give it an hour, 2 hours to flush your system. Take a drink before going to your bed as well. Trust me, flatter stomach, best result, best detox you can ever ask for. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share for more. Yes guys, and it does not taste nasty. Trust me. Very good. Like, subscribe, share, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment. Appreciate it. Keep support the channel. Peace out.